So finally guys, we're here at Cebu Safari and muna natin welcome drink. Welcome drink. Morning. Yeah, we have welcome drink. So guys, after arriving here at the Cebu Safari Camp, you know, the first thing to do is have lunch. And here at Serengeti, we're gonna eating these food. Alright, that's chicken lollipop. Our chop suey. Chicken sour and salad. And there's that one.
Good morning,
Sugwa ba kayo kung magkaon ba? Tana. Let's eat.
Wadyo ko'y nakita pero mga tanan lang jud ko. Namoy ko. Okay ra. I-confirm.
So guys, it's time to go to our room. We're staying at the Giraffe. And let's go. Alright. Oh, there are my people. That's our room. And those are my roommates.
Hey.
Oh, that's not my roommate actually, but but he has his own room here. The beautiful room here, room 1, is the master's bedroom. The master's bedroom is good for couples or big men like him.
Yeah.
And then each room has its own toilet and bath. Okay, bahala na mo, utong lang ko. Of course, cabinets. And you have living area here with ref, microwave, and you know, supplies. But here is the second room, which is good for kids. There's a top bunk and lower. Oh, sige, butang. Yes, and there's toilet and bath. Oh, and finally is our room here for couples. Oh yeah, no. 2 single beds and then toilet.
Remember second time here is at Lucia. Check out this time.
So usually ang mga guests when they can leave their things dito sa front desk. They can start on their tour. Kaya
Hello, Giraffe. Paano yung room? Giraffe. Hello. Giraffe. Baby. Hi, Leilan. Go to Safari Station. So guys, it's time for the bird show. There's a bird solving a math problem. Solving. Good job, bird.
Okay, so what is a very good bird and he made a lot of friends way back then. So after he finishes his food, he will go back home to call his friends. And also he will eat variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, Nanda. You can now take your seat. So as what you can observe, our birds are free to fly. So we do not put their wings in that way. They can exercise their natural behavior and their... Okay, so we have here rainbow lars and black-capped lars. White lars are highly active birds and kind of big ones, but they love to eat variety of seeds, fruits, pollens, nectars, and honey. Sir, I need you to fold your money 3 times on the same 1, 2, and 3. Great. So I need you to hold your money like this. Stretch your arms out and then just please don't do an extra movement. Okay? Are you ready? Sunny. So Sunny loves money and usually pick up things to build their nest as well. So Miss Sunny will go ahead and slide Mr. Ariel and pick up the 100 pesos. So bye-bye Sunny and bye-bye 100. Thank you. Okay, so you want to say something, Sunny? What did you enjoy? Sir, since we enjoyed the food one more time, but we still have another 500, 1,000. She's asking my the 100 pesos back. So round of applause to Sunny and thank you so much, sir. Let's go and sing happy birthday. The rest of us are making birthday, guys. Okay, big question. So we have here Mr. Talk about owl. So Philippine eagle owl is the largest owl in the Philippines, and as what you see, we have a large head with a bulging eye. And their eyes are very good in total darkness. They can see 10 times better than the human eye. Marmina! So white-billed eagle are also known as king of the sea. They have a white plumage from their head down to their underside. It's a round of applause for white-billed eagle named Marmina. And our scarlet ivy is all the way from South America. Okay, so before we totally end our show, let me introduce you the people behind the success of our show.
Look at the garden. Matches with Singapore, right? Look at the fish. Ah, and there's a garden. A collection of Señorito. Best orchids. Most expensive orchids.
No standing while the tram is moving and no flash photography. Wow. Thank you. You're welcome.
Zebra! Zebra!
Dili sila mambukod.
Malalaman natin yan ngayon. Alright, as you can see, our first animal here in African savanna, the one with the black skin color, antelope.
Oh, antelope.
The one with the grayish color with bended horns,
Those
those
are
are
babies.
the wildebeest. So they are one of the largest living antelope. So if you're familiar with the movie The Lion King, so they are the one who accidentally serves as to control their blood pressure. And their horns can grow up to 33 to 36 inches long.
So we're going to the night safari. Welcome to the night safari. Let's go. There. Oh, because it's the night safari. Now we're now in our prison car.
Singapore.
Chosen sila na.
Kaya sa wild mangoes, usually ang ratio sa pride sa mga lions is
Go with a canopy walk, and that's our guide, Sinjan Pineda. All right. And there it is. What we see is total darkness, but you can actually see some small lights like fireflies here. So this is the garden at night, guys. Diba? We've been here in the afternoon, but this is the garden at night. That's our GM, Sir Edward. And well, our dinner is gonna start. na yung mga pusitle.
Waiting for the massage.
So naka-chill pag yun ay masayo.
Yan mo nang ano to nagmerienda.
Yeah, so the massage was earlier, but probably the massage was also like.
We're gonna have s'mores again tonight. And this time, murag lagi sa lugar for bonfire dire.
Sa ganun nga,
Washing.
washing.
S'mores baby, s'mores.
Morning stove din dako.
I think ikaw na siya.
S'mores bro. So it's already morning here and you know my thoughts here is just it's an awesome place. Really cold, really nice. And of course you can enjoy a lot of things here at Cebu Safari. A lot of great potential of course. I mean it's probably the best zoo, you know, in the country. Where you can explore, you can stay, you can relax, good food. So, wala. I don't know. We can even probably explore caves, but I don't know. The weather would not permit it. But really enjoyed it here. If you wanna, you know, if you wanna see one of the best in the country, and you wanna see animals that's not it's not found in the country, Cebu Safari is the place to be. And you gotta support this, you know, local venture. It's just amazing, awesome of putting up this kind of project here. So it's the safari camps is awesome, the rides, the yeah. I mean, it wouldn't one day wouldn't be enough to explore this place, but all in all, it was really a great experience here at Cebu Safari, and I hope you come here. Bye bye.